Welcome to MojoLingual Suite. With the translation services of MojoLingual Suite, you can seamlessly enter new global markets, provide support, and speak directly to your target audience using their native colloquial terms, regardless of where your business or staff are based. In essence, you can break down the language barriers for your business. MojoLingual is a new, unique way to provide translation services for businesses. Our language enablement services don't just push out data. We actually have several hundred translators waiting to review your content in real time for email, chat, and other integral business activities. So now you can get back to focusing on your business by leveraging real-time translation and give up the fear that you said the wrong thing. If you'd like to try the MojoLingual Suite, simply visit mojolingual.com/user-sign-up. From the sign-up page, you can enter your contact information. Then choose a primary language, as well as a gender and your time zone. Choose Sign Up to create your account, and then check your inbox for a confirmation email and follow the link provided to activate your account. After you activate your account, you can return back to mojolingual.com and sign in, choosing the Already Have an Account link. Then enter your username and password and click the Sign In button. After you log in, you can access MojoLingual's suite of translation services, starting with text translation. No matter what you want to translate, our language enablement services can instantly make your content accessible to users around the globe. You can translate website content, brochure or marketing collateral, books, pamphlets, recipes, or anything that you want to share with the world. Just start by including your original text. You can type text, or you could actually copy and paste from another document or website. Then include any tagging and select the language you want to transfer from and the language you want to transfer to. Or you could even swap these. And choose Submit. Then you'll be redirected to the My Translations tab, where you can view a summary of all of the requests that you've made for translation services, including our latest text string. In the status column, you can actually review the current status for your translation. You might see Waiting for Translators, Translated, or Translation in Progress. This lets you know the status for every translation in your system. When a translation is completed, an email will also be sent to your primary email address with both the original language and the translated text. In addition to translating text, you can actually translate email communication. By using the Compose, Inbox, and Send tabs, you can manage your email directly through MojoLingual with easy-to-use translation. While in the past sending and receiving email to clients that spoke other languages might have been a tedious process, MojoLingual makes it easy. You can also skip the headaches and errors that occur with automatic translation tools. Now you can instantly read and respond to email from your colleagues, friends, customers, clients, partners, and prospects in their own language and understand their emails to you. All this without the added cost of hiring a personal translator. To compose a message, we'll begin from the Compose tab. The interface is pretty standard, so you simply enter the recipient's address in the To field. This email address is associated with the native language of the recipient. An email is also sent to your primary email address with the original language and translated text, so you can archive cross-cultural communications from your standard email account too. You can easily add a contact, entering their email address, and then choosing a language. And then choose Submit. Your contact will be added. And you can then include them in the To field. Include your subject, and then type your message. Then choose Send. And you'll be redirected to your inbox. Or you could also view sent items and see the message that we've just created. This new contact will also be added to your address book, including their language of choice. In addition to the ability to translate text and emails, you can also translate your tweets for Twitter. Simply visit the quick links in the bottom right and select Translate My Twitter account. We'll choose the Enabled Radio button, and then we can include our Twitter account name and password. Then we can immediately choose our first target language. This will be in addition to our primary language. You can also include an account name and password if the Twitter account for this language is different. Then we'll also choose our second target language. And again, include an account name and password if these are different. You can choose to translate all the tweets or translate only the tweets that start with SL. Then we can pick the time allowed to translate tweets. Then if we choose Save Changes, whenever we tweet in our regular account, the new translations will automatically be posted. So no matter how you use Twitter, MojoLingual will make it easy for your followers to stay in the loop in their own language. You can tweet answers to support questions, the latest business news, service updates, or just what's happening in your world right now. We'll choose Save, and then we'll return back to the Translate text screen. At this time, we'd like to thank you for previewing MojoLingual, a service of MojoFeedy. MojoFeedy takes a collaborative and open approach to developing real-time language translation-enabled solutions, involving users, developers, linguists, and companies from around the world to further the technology advancement process. Some of the MojoFeedy solutions focus on the needs of businesses and consumers, while others are geared towards having the convenience of real-time language translation anywhere, anytime, to help you break down the language barrier. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to breaking down language barriers together.